Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. I have nothing, absolutely nothing against potato egg gratin, and this dish will offer the same luxurious taste without the cream. Let me show you how to make it so fast with so little ingredients, and let's get started. Start by chopping an onion. This is about 1 cup. I'm gonna saute in 2 tablespoons of butter on low heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I wash, peel, and slice 3 russet potatoes, 250 grams each. I use the mandolin and I slice on the thinnest setting. The onions are cooking on low heat and they're smelling amazing. Now it's time to add the potatoes. I mix them in for a couple of minutes with the onions. And then I'm gonna add 2 cloves of garlic smashed. Mix it in with the potatoes and the onions, and then spice it up with a mix of spices that consists of paprika, cayenne, onion powder, garlic powder, and salt. Obviously, you can spice it however you want, but this spice mix is amazing. I add about half a tablespoon, and I'll leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. I add 2 cups of chicken broth or beef broth. Here I used homemade beef broth, but you can use whatever you have in your pantry. I top with a generous amount of parmesan cheese, about half a cup, sprinkle all over. You're gonna bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for exactly 20 minutes. It's gonna be bubbly, creamy, so delicious and crispy on top. You really won't miss the cream, but if you want a real potato egg gratin recipe, I have it on my YouTube. I'll leave the link in the description box below. But give this recipe a chance if you want a lighter potato casserole. And until next time, bon appetit! If you're liking my recipes and want to see more, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes. Follow me on social media, TikTok, Instagram. The links are in the description box as well.